Hello guys, and welcome on Blue Hammock. In this video I want to talk about Python 3.8, which is the new release of the Python interpreter. In this new release we have some new features, and in this video I want to talk about the new features that change a little bit the syntax of the language. Python 3.8 was released on the 14th of October in 2019. So the first feature I want to talk about is the Walrus operator, which is a new kind of assignment expression. And this new feature has been heavily criticized and led Guido van Rossum, the original creator of Python, to take the decision to resign from his leadership role in the development of the Python interpreter. The second feature I want to talk about is the support for positional only arguments in function parameters. So there is the possibility to specify that some parameters should be positional only. So should not be accepted as a keyword argument. The third feature I want to talk about is the support for equal sign notation in F strings. So first of all, what is this Walrus operator? The Walrus operator is an assignment operator which is different from the usual equal sign because it is also returning the value we are assigning to the variable to the caller of the assignment. So in this case we assign the value 1 to A, and the Walrus operator is also returning this value 1. So for example, we can use it in a conditional statement. A typical case I can see where I could use this operator is when I'm getting a result from another function, for example, and then I'm testing for the nonness of the result. And only if the result is not none, I'm doing something with the result. So before Python 3.8 and the Walrus operator, I had to write multiple statements to do this. But with the Walrus operator, I can compress the assignment inside the conditional, which is testing for the noneness of the result. Personally, I like this new feature, and I find that it allows to clean a little bit the code in some cases. I also agree on the fact that it should not be overused and can create a little bit of confusion for newcomers to the language. So the second feature is the positional only arguments in functions. So, for example, in this function, we have that A and B are positional only arguments. C and D can be both positional and keyword arguments, and E and F should be keyword only arguments. So to make an example of a valid function call, we have the first three parameters are positional, and then we have D, E, and F, which are passed as keyword arguments. To make an example instead of an invalid function call, we have this second statement in which we pass the second parameter, B, as a keyword parameter. This is not allowed by the function, which says that the first two parameters should be positional only. And so this raises an error in the function call. So this new feature introduces this new parameter syntax with the forward slash that indicates that each parameter to the left of the slash is positional only. Then we have the last feature, which is the f-strings support for equal sign notation, which can be useful in self-documenting expressions and debugging. So in an f-string, like in this example, we can use the variable name followed by the equal sign, and this will print out the name of the variable equal the value. This can be useful especially in debugging, so we can log the value of a variable, and to do that we simply have to use this notation to have both the reference to the variable name and the value. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the new features of Python 3.8. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up, and I hope to see you here next time.